and all of you. Myself, Indra Star. Today I am going to talk about NATO. NATO stands for North Atlantic Treaty Organization. It is a military alliance which was established by North Atlantic Treaty or Washington Treaty in 1949. United States of America, Canada and several European countries were the founding members of NATO. It is a military alliance to provide collective security against USSR. After that, many countries have joined NATO, and France withdrew itself from its Integrated Military Command in 1966 and resumed its membership in Integrated Military Command in 2009. There are mainly two objectives of NATO. First is political objective and second is military objective. In political objective, NATO countries are continuously promoting democracy in all over the world, and in military objective, NATO is committed for peaceful resolution of any dispute in the world. According to Article 5 of NATO or Washington Treaty, if any country invades on any NATO member, then all NATO members will come together and invade that particular country collectively. Article 5 of NATO is invoked only once when 9/11 attack happened in USA. Now all NATO countries are funding NATO, and the United States of America single-handedly contributes 3/4 of its budget. Now the question arises, what are the issues which are associated with NATO? In past years, it has been seen NATO is continuously declining. Let me tell you by taking an example of Turkey. Turkey purchased S-400 defense system from Russia, although Turkey is a member of NATO. And Turkey is also becoming a hurdle for joining and becoming a member of NATO of Sweden and Finland, because Finland and Sweden are continuously showing their interest to join NATO. And in France, people are protesting to leave NATO because inflation is all-time high in France due to Russia-Ukraine conflict. And Russia-Ukraine conflict is also a result of NATO's expansion, because Ukraine wanted to become a member of NATO, and if Ukraine would become a member of NATO, then it would be a security threat for Russia's integrity and territorial integrity or security. That's why Russia invaded NATO, and Europe is too much dependent on Russia for its energy supply. That's why inflation in Europe is all-time high. So NATO countries have come together and once again think on its formation. Thank you. That's all from my side. I'll see you in next one.